Okay, great. Well, I'm happy to be here and talk about something near and dear to my heart, which is project management. And I don't know, maybe I'll step over on this side. So just to give you an idea of, we do many projects, human health and nutrition and plant science, and papers and publications. You can come to our site and see that. But we are an active lab. We do our own internal research, as well as we do contract and ad hoc sequencing, and we have customers and clients, and run the gamut of a service center. Some of our exhaustive plant science programs are listed here. I'm not going to I just want to give you the idea of the volume of sequencing we do at the center. We've done over 800 runs on our Illumina sequencers. And we've added a high-seq. We also have a PacBio RS instrument, and we also are doing genotyping. And of course, we're getting 30 to 80 million reads per Illumina channels. That creates a data management issue. And we have various project scales. We may multiplex 12 samples on a lane. We may do human resequencing where we need 100 gigs of data. Of course, we have massive infrastructure and our analysis system, Alpheus. And Marianne, I was wondering if you could tell me when I have 10 minutes left to go, if you could just give me a signal. So this kind of looks like looking down at 60,000 feet. These are the kind of things. We've got our sequencing, we've got our genotyping. Another area of expertise we're developing is target enrichment for the whole exome, or custom regions. And then we come to this analysis informatics, and this is our output, and these are our clients and collaborators. And then in more detail, these are the kind of products and run types, of course, we're doing. You're probably all familiar with that. But what are we trying to manage? So we have our client interactions. We figure out what we need to do. We do a service order, receive materials, prepare libraries. We prepare and run flow cells. We QC the results. We deliver data, connect to billing, and then we invoice the client. I mean, this doesn't seem hard. It looks really simple on paper. But let's start right here. So first thing is sometimes the service order is directly off our pricing menu. I want 3 lanes, a 2x54, just deliver me the sequence. Easy. But if we have custom work, since we're kind of a research lab and scientific institution, we like to explore that too. We may do collaborations with someone on some cutting-edge project. So we may research that with scientists, come up with pricing, and figure that out. But the finish line is having this very clear, quote, work order to manage not only the customer expectations, but to drive the lab so they're really efficient. They know exactly what to do. Signed quote and contract goes to accounting. Then electronic work order goes into Grindstone, our custom-made limbs. Then we receive samples. They pass QC. We go to prepare libraries, but oops, they failed QC, so there's something else you have to manage. So the ball can drop right there, but then we need to have a client interaction either to get more material or not. But let's say there's the happy path, and pass QCs when we prepare and run flow cells. Of course, I won't go into major detail, but could fail QC there, and there's another ball to manage. So let's look at